gap. If your vehicle is totaled in an accident or stolen and not recovered, your full coverage insurance policy is only required to pay the current market value of your vehicle at the time of loss. But the probability is that your loan balance is higher than the current market value of your vehicle. This means there will be a loan balance remaining even after your full coverage insurance settlement is made. Who is responsible for paying the remaining balance after the primary insurance settlement? You are. To further illustrate how an insurance gap occurs, let's consider this example of a $27,000 loan. You pay your loan off over time, but your car loses value over time. Let's say your vehicle is totaled in an accident only 24 months into the loan when your loan balance is $24,000. But your insurance company will only pay the current market value of your vehicle, which is $20,000. This leaves you with an insurance gap of $4,000. With gap, the $4,000 difference would be covered, in addition to your insurance deductible up to $1,000. There are several factors that may contribute to an insurance gap. Putting little or zero money down on a new car purchase. Financing tax, title, and license fees into your new car loan. Extending loan terms 60 or even 72 months or more. Refinancing your auto loan. Or rolling negative equity from a trade-in into your new loan. These are all factors that may contribute to an insurance gap. Gap is not a replacement for insurance. It is a valuable coverage that protects you, your family, and your financial peace of mind. Extended auto warranties. Most standard factory warranties protect vehicles for only the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. But research shows that most Americans retain their vehicle long after the factory warranty runs out. If you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 3 years or 36,000 miles, you will be fully responsible for any and all mechanical repairs on your vehicle after that time. Vehicle repairs today can be complicated, may require lengthy diagnostic procedures, and may involve more than one system or computer module. Today's technologically advanced vehicle parts cost more to replace. For example, it may cost up to $2,500 to replace an air conditioner, $4,000 for a transmission, or $6,500 to replace your engine. Plus, labor and replacement part costs are ever increasing. And just when you need coverage the most, your factory warranty does not cover you. To illustrate your financial exposure once your factory warranty runs out, consider this. We know that most factory warranties provide coverage for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. But at 1,500 miles per month, which most Americans are driving, the factory warranty will expire after only 24 months. After that time, you are at risk and financially responsible for any and all mechanical breakdowns that occur on that vehicle. Our comprehensive extended warranty plans reduce your risk and financial exposure and are available for most new and used vehicles. Additional benefits of our plans include 24-hour emergency roadside assistance, a rental vehicle during warranty repairs, tire protection, trip interruption reimbursement, nationwide coverage, the flexibility to use any ASE certified mechanic or licensed repair facility in the U.S. or Canada. With the complicated technology-related expense involved in repairing today's vehicles, it is simply not worth risking your financial investment. Protect it with a comprehensive extended warranty plan from your credit union today. You'll be glad you did. Payment protection. Serious illness, injury, or accident is never planned. If your injury or illness is serious enough to keep you from work, it could negatively affect your ability to repay your financial obligation to the credit union and ruin your credit history. Even if your injury or illness leaves you unable to work, you are still expected and required to fulfill your monthly financial obligation to the credit union. Credit disability coverage makes your monthly loan payment for you should you become sick or hurt and unable to work due to a covered illness or injury. credit disability coverage will pay your benefit, regardless of any other disability coverage you may already have. Your death could severely impact the future financial security of your loved ones. Your credit union believes that your debts and financial obligations should not outlive you, the debtor. This could result in further financial hardship on those you leave behind. Credit Life coverage pays off your loan in the event of your death, leaving a vehicle with a free and clear title. An asset for your family, not a liability.
When you first get a car, you're real careful. You park way out at the very end of the parking lot. You go during certain times when there's not going to be people. You try to grab a spot up next to a curb or something like that, so you figure if something's going to happen, it'll only happen to one side. But it's going to eventually happen. I mean, the winds get high around here, even if somebody's being careful. When you open the door, how many times have you had the wind catch the door and it blows into another car? I mean, I've had door dings on my car, but I think of how many times, even though I'm careful, I may have created a door ding in somebody else's car.
When you purchase DentGuard, you can use your plan an unlimited number of times. You can choose the 1 to 6 year term available to you. Anytime you need paintless dent repair services, you simply call the 1-800 number and a friendly representative will take your claim information and coordinate the service with one of our DentZone certified PDR technicians. The DentZone certified PDR service technician will meet you back at your local dealership and repair your vehicle while you wait. The unique process of PDR, paintless dent repair, does not require any sanding, any painting, any body fillers. What we do is we get behind the panel with specialized tools, manipulate the metal until that dent comes out perfect.
I was really amazed at the process. I actually went down and watched them, and you think of it as, again, like I mentioned, a suction cup pulling a dent out, but it was just a big array or an arsenal of metal rods, and the way they work that, I mean, it's almost like an artist at work. I mean, it was real careful.
Once the repairs are performed, you inspect the vehicle to make sure that the PDR services were to your 100% satisfaction. This is a true sign and drive program. There's no deductible or any out-of-pocket expense. You simply sign your acceptance and drive away.
It's a value you get for the price of that product is just tremendous.
If you want to keep your car in showroom condition, you need DentGuard.